Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today is update number 4 for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button. Okay, so today is update number 4 for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So if you've missed these videos, I will put a card up top to the entire playlist of year of the beard. I'll also put a card up in just a few minutes for the unboxing for the bearded pup and what Ron sent for us to go over and use for the course of the month of September. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Year of the Beard, before you've clicked on that playlist, Year of the Beard, 12 companies, 12 months. Each company gets their own month to go in this beard. So the month of September has been the bearded pup. So we have had update videos as to how these products are doing, little mini reviews, update videos, how they're doing for my beard. And then we're going to have a final thoughts video in a few days about how it has done in my beard for the entire month. So today we are going to talk about Biker's Blend in balm, also in oil. So that's what we're going to talk about today. And if you hadn't already, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And let's get into this. So Biker's Blend is leather and cedar. Now I'll go ahead and tell you, my wife is not a huge fan of leather scented beard products or leather scent in just anyway. This Biker's Blend, she loves. She absolutely loves it. I'm gonna tell you, it is a manly of manlies. It is a cologne style scent to me. That's what I get out of it. It smells like just a manly cologne. Oh, it smells so good. So there's the balm, what we've dug into it so far. And in the jar, I get a little bit of that carrier. I get some of those carrier notes. I really wish that Biker's Blend was the scent profile of leather and cedar and whatever else has gone into that. I really wish it was a little bit stronger in the balm, but it still, I get the carrier up front. And then when I apply this, it doesn't take long. That carrier scent is gone, and I get a little bit of that Biker's Blend. It's just not as strong as I wish it was. So we'll go around the jar. I got some on my fingers, so we'll talk about that in a second. But we have directions. We turn around. We have the Bearded Pup logo with Roxy there, and then we turn around and we have ingredients. Ingredients on the balm: pure shea butter, organic grapeseed, sweet almond, avocado, safflower, and castor oils, beeswax, premium essential oils, and or fragrance oils. And then on the top we have the scent profile. Okay, so this is a 2-ounce balm in a white plastic jar, and that is our balm. So you can see here, it just breaks down. Look at that. Now to me, it had a little bit of hold, not much. It's got a little bit of tack, not a whole lot, but it was more of a conditioning balm, and it feels so good in beard. I've already got some, but I'm putting a little bit more in because it smells good. But like I said, right now I get that carrier. I get a little bit of that carrier, but it wears off and it doesn't stay with you all day. I got a little crazy spot. Anyway, so rub the excess over here, and I'm good. It's just really hydrated. It has a very, very little hold, but it does have some, but it's more of a conditioning balm. You guys that have watched my videos, you know how I describe that. Conditioning balms, they just break down really well, and they really do a good job conditioning your beard. All right, so now let's talk about the oil, the star of the show. Okay, so let's go around this label. We've got ingredients, We've got our scent profile, Roxy, the bearded pup. Scroll around here and we have directions. 1 ounce beard oil. Ingredients on this. Ingredients: organic grapeseed, sweet almond, avocado, safflower, and castor oils. Wasn't that the same thing in here? Other than the shea butter. And I think that scent, that carrier scent that we pick up with this is that shea butter. And then premium essential oil and or fragrance oil. Warning: nut allergen, discontinue if irritation occurs. So, Biker's Blend. You've heard me describing it all month, but let's talk about the oil. Comes in the 1 ounce dropper top bottle. Still have a little bit of balm on my hands. And there it is. It has a little bit of a yellow tint, and this is medium weight. It is not super thick. That castor is not a lead ingredient, but it is a little bit thicker than some of the other oils that we have used. And like I said, that castor is just not a leading ingredient, but it's kind of a medium weight oil. It smells so good. It is amazing. I just don't know any other way to describe it other than amazing. But like I said, leather, cedar, it's just a manly scent that smells really good. Scent duration on this, days I wore just the oil, I was picking up the scent for about 6 hours. Days I put in the balm, that scent was right around 6, maybe a little less. That strong carrier in this, it does wear off, but it's not real strong on the Biker Blend scent. So it does not make that scent last any longer. Now, the butter that Ron sent me was a unscented butter. So if I put the oil in and then I put the butter in, it didn't give me a longer duration. If the scent was a little stronger in this, then you could probably get out to 8 hours or more if you wore that combination of oil and balm. But even with my beard the length it is, I'm not a huge high hold balm wearer, but this is one of those balms that I really enjoyed because it did have a little bit of hold to kind of keep some of these flyaways down, but it also had those conditioning properties. It has those awesome ingredients, that shea butter, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, safflower oil, castor oil. It has those good ingredients that it does do a good job of conditioning. All right, guys, so oil, balm, price. Let me go to my cheat sheet. You can pick this up in a combo for $34. That's gonna save you some money. So I did not look, I apologize, but I'll try to get the prices and put it in the description. I didn't look at individual prices before filming this video. I just looked at the combo price of oil and balm, and that is not just for Biker's Blend, that's for any combination that they have. And you can get over to Bearded Pup. I think they offer free shipping after a certain amount of spending. You can get over and check that out. But I do highly recommend Biker's Blend. If you like that manly cologne scent, check out Biker's Blend. It's really good. If your wife likes those kind of scents, you need to get this. Ladies, if you're watching, trying to find something to buy for your husband, and you like those kind of scents, my wife loves this. I put this in, I'll tell you, early in the month, I put this beard oil in, and I was going to work. And I went to kiss her bye, and she was like, why do you smell so good? You're going to work. Where are you going? And I had to tell her, hey, it's the beard oil that you just smelled yesterday. This is it. So she loves Biker's Blend. So anyway, that is it for today, guys. This is update number 4. A few days, we're gonna have final thoughts. I'm gonna break this down a little bit more as to what all it has done for my beard, but it is amazing products. These are amazing products. You need to get over it, check them out. Links will be in the description below. And it looks like it's about to rain, so let me wrap this up. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.